Hello everyone, welcome to Vidyan Pathsala. Make learning smart and easy. This is Jasmine. Today I will talk about career options in animation and filmmaking after 12th. Animation is a satisfying and lucrative profession and is attracting youngsters in droves towards it. As per a report of Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment of special effects artists and animators is projected to grow 4% from 2019 to 2029. Walt Disney is no doubt the best known animator worldwide. Now explore animation programs and courses. BSc in Animation, BA in Animation and Multimedia, BA in Animation and Graphic Design, B.Days in Animation, Bachelor of Visual Arts, BA in Digital Filmmaking and Animation, Bachelor of Fine Arts in Animation, Graphics and Web Design, BSc in Animation and Visual Effects, Bachelor in Digital Filmmaking and Animation. The duration of the courses are 3 years. Eligibility 10+2 with 50% marks with science subject for BSc and any stream for BA. Job opportunities: game designer, 3D animator in web design, films and televisions, web designers, etc. Next, BSc in cinematography. The eligibility for BSc in cinematography is 10+2. The subject taught in Bachelor of Science in Animation Filmmaking are basically cinematography, character setup and animations. Job opportunities: there are lots of job opportunities like assistant cinematographer, assistant production manager, line producer, assistant editor, etc. BSc in post production. The course will train you in areas such as production design, camera work, direction, editing, storytelling, relevant equipment, relevant software, etc. Many students are showing their interest in BSc in post-production nowadays because as a career it is really interesting to work on animation, graphic designing and storytelling, etc. Now BSc in filmmaking. The duration of BSc in filmmaking is 3 years, 10+2 with English, and the job opportunities like line producer, assistant editor, director's assistant, film critics, runner, switcher, flow manager, theatre director, etc. BSc in sound editing engineering. To study in BSc in sound editing or BTech or in engineering, the basic eligibility is 10+2 with science and the duration is 3 years. The job you can get after BSc in sound editing or engineering is remixing engineering, live concert engineers, audiovisual technicians, etc. We all like to listen musics, we all like to listen songs, but there are really so many factors which is influencing the quality of the sound and enhancing the quality of the music. Because nowadays there are so many instruments are used in the whole process. I want to say one more thing, that like many other courses, after studying animation or filmmaking, the future study options are like MSc, PhD, and otherwise graduation degree is enough to get a job or to build your career in animation and filmmaking. There are many colleges, institutions who offers animation courses in different names like BSc in Animation or BA in Animation, BFA, B.Days, etc. etc. If you search in Google for colleges like best animation colleges in India or best animation college in West Bengal, you can get a list, and you do searching on the basis of your choice and requirement. The course fee also depends on the college or institutions, but keep your eyes on government sites and many other scholarships, because there are scholarships are also available to study for higher studies. If you are a girl, then you can also search like scholarship for girls to study animation or to study BSc, BA, etc. After working as a music producer or sound designer, you can get at 3 lakhs per annum in average, and in any courses like BSc in animation or BA in animation, but earning will be depend on your experiences and skills. Some recruitment companies are like Reliance Media Workers, Ubisoft, etc. Few popular entrance exams to appear to pursue animation courses are NID entrance exam, National Institute of Design, UCEED, CEED, SAT India, NIFT entrance exam, National Institute of Fashion Technology, AIEED, NATA, WLCI aptitude test. The next I have given few examples of great jobs after animation or filmmaking. The jobs are like visual development artist, character technical, director, 3D modeler, animation art director, forensic animator, and many more. If you search in Google that job options or career options or great jobs after studying animation or filmmaking, you can also get a big list, and you can find your dream job. Next, average course fee and salary. Average course fee to study animation is INR 20,000 to 50,000, and you can get or you can earn minimum 2 to 3 lakhs in average, but I'm saying again, it will be depend on your skills and experiences. It's a kind of fun to do the impossible. All the best. Thank you.